This 2015 Itasca Navion 24M is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 1 foot 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide out, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2015 Itasca Navion 24M is built on a Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.